In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find File Explorer on Windows 11. File Explorer is one of the most important tools on a Windows computer because it's where you go to view your files, open folders, and move around your system. If you're new to Windows 11 or you just can't seem to find it, don't worry. There are several easy ways to open it, and once you know them, it becomes much faster to navigate your computer. The first and simplest method is to use the taskbar icon. Look at the bottom of your screen for the taskbar, which is the long bar that holds your pinned apps and system icons. On that bar, you should see a blue folder icon. That folder is File Explorer. Just click it once, and File Explorer will open right away. This is often the quickest option if the icon is already visible on your taskbar. Another very useful way is with a keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key and the E key at the same time. As soon as you do that, File Explorer should open instantly. This shortcut is especially helpful if you prefer using the keyboard or if you want a fast method that works from almost anywhere on your computer. It's a good shortcut to remember because it can save time every day. You can also open File Explorer through the Start menu. Click the Start button on the taskbar to open the menu. Once it opens, type File Explorer on your keyboard. You should see it appear in the search results. Then press Enter to launch it. This method is great if you don't see the folder icon on the taskbar or if you want to search for apps directly from the Start menu. There's one more easy option using the Start button itself. Right-click the Start button symbol on the taskbar. This will open a menu with several system tools and shortcuts. In that menu, select File Explorer, and it will open immediately. This is a handy method to know, especially if you like using quick access menus in Windows 11. As you can see, there are multiple ways to find and open File Explorer in Windows 11. You can click the blue folder on the taskbar, use the Windows and E shortcut, search for it in the Start menu, or right-click the Start button and choose it from the list. Try each method once so you can decide which one feels easiest for you. Once you get comfortable with these options, opening File Explorer will become second nature.